Perfect. Now instances in the left corner. Perfect. Now we'll just turn these two on and we'll see in which we have deployed website. So you can just select the.
Much of this studying done as possible before I get busy during the day again. I've just
Got
been
it.
doing interviews all day long. That's why I haven't been as free.
Got it.
And then evenings every day,
Hmm.
either Okta class or SailPoint class for at least 3 to 4 hours. After all that, I'm just so tired.
Yeah.
Energy. And I have to prioritize Okta and SailPoint. That's like my main thing right now, you know. Cloud is
Right.
like cloud goes hand in hand with all that, but it's still a secondary priority to Okta and SailPoint.
But for you, it's Okta currently, right? The higher
Okta is
priority.
number one, but lately SailPoint has become a number one because there is way more SailPoint BA jobs. Okta doesn't need BA because it's mostly just basic configurations that
Hmm.
engineers can just do themselves. But SailPoint is highly complicated, right? It's
What
on-prem.
is okay? Let me check sale point.
It's mostly for lifecycle management and identity governance.
Oh, sale point. Right, right.
There's SailPoint
Mhm.
IIQ, which is the on-prem version, which you have to
Hmm.
install on your server and run it using, like Tomcat server, for example.
Got it.
And then SailPoint now also has another one called Identity Now, which is their cloud version. So a lot
Got
of
it.
companies right now that have been using the on-prem
Hmm.
are migrating to the cloud version. So that is
Got it.
opening up a ton of jobs. Yeah,
Sale point identity, right?
IIQ is the on-prem. I forgot what it stands for. Identity something. That's the on-prem one, and then their cloud version of the software, it's called Identity Now.
Got it. For governance and all. Okay.
Identity
Kind of
governance.
similar to
Basically
Okta,
that
is it?
huh?
Kind of similar to Okta.
They do similar things. Yeah, they do the same things, except SailPoint is just better at some things than like SailPoint is mostly for lifecycle management,
Hmm.
the movers, joiners, leavers process. So basically, as the person joins a company, moves across roles, and leaves the company, how to
Got it.
manage their access to different resources and managing that whole process. That's
Got
mainly the, SailPoint's core strength.
Hmm.
And then Okta's core strength is authentication and authorization.
Got it. Hmm.
SailPoint
Can you
doesn't
repeat?
do authentication and authorization, I don't think, from what I understand.
Okay, sale point does that, right?
I don't think so. I don't know, but I don't think it does.
Need to check, yeah. Okay, can you refresh a bit?
Yeah.
I think status check. Yeah, perfect. Now click on instance ID of any of these. Let's click on the first one, ELB1, the instance ID. Yeah. Now just copy the IP address and paste it in a new tab. Let's see the website is deployed or not. Instances. Yeah. Click on instances. Yeah, ID. Perfect. So this thing is deployed, right? Basically, what we have to do is we have to log in into what? Now we have to log in into our first instance. Okay. Can you see the IP address is changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because that is not static. It's not static IP address. We actually have to keep it static. So basically, every time you connect to the EC2 again, a new IP is generated for you. It's like that. Okay. That's why the IP address are changed. Okay. Now let's go to the first instance, the previous tab.
1 second.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. I'm back.
Yeah. So let's go to instances. So here we can see there's no website deployed here, right? So we can
Right.
go to instances. Yeah. So we'll copy the same step that we did earlier. So let's go to instances. So from here we can know that, okay, just a second. I just want to know, okay, can you scroll down a bit? Okay, what is the instance name? Okay, scroll down a bit more. Is it the first one or the second one? I want to check that. Okay, can you scroll up a bit? I just want to check the name of this. Mm,
What do you want? What are you trying to say?
name. It's not there, right? So I just want to know it is ELB1 or ELB2. Uh,
This particular one?
yep.
Can't we see that in the previous page? Which one I'm clicking?
Yeah, we can do it. I think it's ELB2, right?
I
Yeah.
think so. I think that's the one I clicked.
Okay, then I think in ELB1, the website is not deployed yet. So what you have to do is we have to go to ELB1. Okay. Now we have to open Putty so that we can log in into ELB2 or basically one. Yeah, no website should load up. Yeah, so we have to log in into ELB1. Perfect. Now you have to paste the IP address, the host name. No, we can't connect it. We have to put that credentials as well, right?
In here, right?
Yeah. So maybe you have to like cancel this option. Then you have to open Putty again. Paste it here, the IP address, and go to SSH in the left panel. Yeah, below. Yeah, click on the add icon, then auth.
Auth.
Yeah, auth. Then credentials. Click on credentials, and you have to browse the key now. Yeah, click on the browse. Yeah, go to Putty again. Yeah, click on the browse icon. Yeah. Now you have to select the my key one and open it. Just click on open. Perfect. Now accept it and just write EC2-user. Perfect. Enter it. Perfect. Now basically, I shared you some commands over WhatsApp, right? We have to execute that commands again here. In which we perfect. Is it done? Yeah. Now what you actually added another like you just remove the first line. It might show up error. That red line it is showing, right? Before that HTML. Yeah, just remove it. No. Yeah, this arrow. Yeah, extra arrow. Yeah, perfect. Remove it. Is it not going? Okay, do I and then try to remove it. Press I. You okay.
Wait, hold on.
Just do DD, maybe. Yeah, perfect. Paste it once. Okay, it's coming up, right? Now I got it. I think you have copied something else, maybe. Extra part you have copied, the front arrow that we don't need because it will it will show up error as an error. No. Okay. Okay, no, just do DD or maybe, yeah. No. Just do escape and press DD couple of times. Do escape once. Press escape once. Just remove that part. Perfect. Yeah, remove everything and just write. Yeah. If you are unable to do it, write, press I, then you will be able to remove it. Yeah. Just write ELB1 because this is the ELB1, right? Do a capital, it will look better. B1. And you can actually remove that dollar sign. It's not needed. It's like confusing a bit. Yeah. Remove that dollar sign. Perfect. Now remove that exclamation mark as well. It's also not needed. Perfect. Now what you do is do escape, then colon, WQ, then exclamation mark. Escape, colon, WQ, exclamation mark.
Where am I writing that?
No, just put colon, press enter colon. Like, yeah, right.
Just put colon where?
No, just enter it. It'll go in different menu, like exit menu. Wherever you are, just press colon. It will work. Perfect. Now WQ. So this is the method how we exit, exclamation mark. So WQ stands for write and quit, like saving it, exclamation mark, enter. Okay. Inner HTML can't open file for writing. Okay. Got it. Makes sense. Do Q. And I just press escape, like exclamation mark and Q. The reason why it is showing this error, I'll tell you. It is unable to create that file. Exactly. Yeah. What you do is exclamation mark Q and just enter it. Yeah, press exclamation mark, not exclamation, sorry, colon, Q and enter. No write since last change. Okay. You have to press an exclamation mark, Q and exclamation mark, colon, Q and exclamation mark. Yeah. Enter. Perfect. Now basically vi index.html, right? Just write touch index.html, something like that. Touch, then space index.html. It should
Ditch.
work. Touch. 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 Yeah. Touch, then space, then index.html. Write sudo in front of it. Sudo touch index.html. Perfect. Space. Enter. Now do an ls. Enter. Okay, we have the index.html file. Now we can use the vi command. Vi, then index.html. No. Vi. Yeah. Perfect. Now we can paste that HTML code and make the changes that we did. So here we have to do everything like properly. Then only it works.
It's not letting me press enter.
No. Just do like remove that host name and everything. The dollar and host name. And exclamation mark as well. Yeah, not needed. Yeah, if you are unable to edit it, just write I, press I, and just try it, editing it. It will work. Yeah, dollar as well. Remove dollar as well. Capital ELB1. Perfect. Now press escape. Perfect. Now colon WQ exclamation mark. Enter. Index can't open file for writing. Can't open file for writing. Earlier we didn't had this error, right? Enter. Just enter. Why it's showing this error? Can't open file for writing. Writing. Why it is? Okay, give just a second. I'll just try to fix it. Why? Earlier it didn't give this error, right? Okay, you have to just copy everything that you have pasted here and put it in Notepad. Yeah, copy everything that we pasted here. I think we have to do it again, maybe.
Which
Perfect.
what
Yeah.
do you mean by everything? Like this?
No. This one, the ELB11. That it is in the part. Yeah.
Oh, this? Oh,
Yeah.
what just happened?
No. It's okay. You just copy this part.
How do you
Hmm.
copy something?
Yeah, just Control C. It will work.
It's gone. Oh, it's right here. Oh, what is all this?
Actually, in this terminal, it works this way only. Okay, the better thing, perfect. It seems fine. Yeah, you can save it. Yeah. Okay, I'll just edit and send it to you. Don't worry. Actually, we don't have the permission. Just do quit it, like the colon Q and exclamation mark. Just quit it now. Okay, it's having some error. Maybe vi index.html, right? Give me a second. I'll just try to. Uh, okay. Okay, just write sudo vi index.html and try pasting the same code. Okay. Sudo vi index.html. I got it. Yeah. Sudo, we have to do it. Space vi index.html, and I'll just send you the code on WhatsApp so that don't get confused. I'll just share it again. Uh, Yeah, press enter now. Perfect. Try pasting everything here if you have it. Yeah. Or else I'll send it. Yeah. Pasting it if you have like the same copy. Yeah. But just copy this part, right? Don't copy the ELB part. It's coming repetitive. Yeah. Copy from. Yeah. Perfect. Now it should work. Yeah. Definitely. Paste it. Perfect. Now colon WQ exclamation mark. WQ exclamation mark. Enter. Perfect. It worked, right? Now basically what it will do is go to that Amazon web page. Yeah, instance ID. Yeah, ELB1. Just click on instance ID. Yeah, it's already there. So we can copy the IP address, right? It's below. 18, 119, 124. Yeah, come below a bit. Yeah, come below. Perfect. You copy it and try pasting in new tab. It should show up now. Perfect. It's the ELB1. And if you go to the another, so it won't refresh it, right? Because it's just pointing to this one. Now we have to configure this using ELB now. So this is the part we'll configure ELB, right? Now, another thing we can do is, uh, second thing we can do is just edit this file for another server as well, right? Currently here it is showing ELB1, right? We want it
Mm-hmm.
to show same thing in the second server as well. So what we'll do is go to that Putty again. I'll tell you. Perfect. Now just write, okay, you have already copied, right? Perfect. Now you
Mm-hmm.
can cancel it. Cancel everything. Yeah, you can close Putty and reopen Putty again. Now we'll make the changes to another server, the ELB2. We'll just take some changes. So just go to instant, yeah, perfect. ID of 2. And what we are going to change, we just put, rather than that IP address, we'll put ELB2 so that it's much better to read. Now go to SSH. Have to select it again, yeah. Auth and credentials. Perfect. Then browse, then load it. My key, perfect. Open, right? Same EC2 hyphen user. Perfect. Now here what we'll do is we'll go to that location, right? What is that location? The location is nothing but you have to write. Can you open that like note sticky pad, like notepad that you have copied the commands? Yeah, sticky notes. Yeah, perfect. The previous one I want to see the previous commands where we put that path. Uh, this no come down, keep coming down, keep coming down. Yeah, keep coming down. Yeah. Now, yeah, perfect. The var www.html, right? Now till HTML you copy it. Okay, what we can do is no, copy everything. I'll copy everything. I'll tell you. Yeah, copy it everything. Now, yeah, perfect. Now what you do is just put sudo vi and paste this path. sudo okay, I think you yeah, small mistake in the sudo.
Delete all this, right?
Yeah, you have to delete it.
Like that.
Yeah, the extra part we can do it. Remove extra part. Perfect. Now do an enter. Perfect. Now you see that IP address, right? 13, 15. We don't want this. We want ELB2 written over there, right? Just remove that extra part. Perfect, perfect. Then just now write capital ELB2. Perfect. Now exclamation mark, like press escape first. Yeah, colon WQ exclamation mark and enter. Enter. Perfect. Now go to your AWS and copy the IP address of this instance and paste it on browser. So see. Mhm. Open a new, okay. It's not reflecting, is it?
We wrote ELB2 here, right?
It's not working, right? Is it? Currently it's working. How to check it, right? Can you open the previous link? In that it should show ELB1, right? Okay. Why it's failing? Okay, I got it. There must be some path error. Open, go to the next link. Yeah, open the next link, the next tab. Yeah, just refresh it like a couple of times. It might show up a bit late. Or else what we can do is we can do restart of this server. Hey, you saw, right? It's coming up. ELB2 now,
Yeah.
right? Perfect. Yeah, everything seems fine. Now we'll configure the ELB part. Okay, now go to AWS. Okay. Now we'll actually merge this two into one. Okay, that's the main part. Now, in the left panel, scroll down. Hmm. Yeah, in the left panel, scroll down. Just you'll see load balancers. Click on it. Lower down. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Click on load balancer. So we'll create a load balancer for us. Okay, you can delete this load balancer that is already existing. We don't need it again. Yeah, you can select it and delete it. Perfect. Now click on actions, delete the load balancer. Perfect. Now you just write confirm. Perfect. Delete it. Now we'll create a load balancer. What does balancer does? Basically, it distributes the traffic between this, like whenever traffic comes, it will distribute into these two instances that we have created. So click on create load balancer. Perfect. Now, what kind of load balancer we want? Basically, we want the load balancer to distribute the traffic whenever a HTTP and HTTP request comes in. So we'll select the application load balancer. So select the first option. Yeah, scroll down a bit. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, we can create this one. Yeah, you can give any name to this load balancer. Just write ELB. Yeah, that will be fine. ELB. Just give it name ELB. Perfect. Scroll down. So it's an internet facing. Okay. IPv4. Perfect. Scroll down. Now, basically, just select all the AZs available. So click on the three AZs, like below you see, right? US East 1, A, B, and C. Yeah. Select all of these. Now, okay. Now scroll up a bit. I think we have to create a new. I think it's needed or not. Scroll up a bit. Hmm, do we need to create a new VPC? Okay, give me a second. I'll just verify it once. Just a second.
Votes for the selected in.
Okay, perfect. Now scroll down. I think we don't have to do anything with the VPC, so we can scroll down. Yeah, everything seems fine till here. Scroll down. But we have to create a security group. I'll tell you why we need to create a security group. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah. So we'll create a new security group. The reason is because when we create a ELB, we have configured the security group for each individual instance, but we have not configured the security group for this ELB, right? So we'll be creating a new security group. So can you click on that, create a new security group? Yeah, it's right side. Yeah, perfect. And here, basically, inbound rule will try to edit. So click on the inbound rule on the top. You see, right, add rule. Click on it. Yeah, in this we'll add basically the kind of traffic we are dealing with is HTTP, right? So in the drop down, custom TCP will select HTTP. Yeah, scroll to the left. Yeah. And maybe you can take a screenshot of all this. Basically, I'll tell you what kind of screenshot you have to take. So just take the screenshot of the first ELB, the second ELB, and this part. That will be fine. Okay, let's first configure this. Then we can complete this. Okay, in the inbound rule, just select HTTP. Perfect. Now in the source, just write IPv4 in the source. Yeah, in the source we have custom, right? Just click on that drop down. IPv4 the second one, the IPv4 the second one. Yeah, and it seems fine. Just we can click on OK and just give it a name of the security group like ELB security group, something like that. ELB SG, something like that. Scroll up a bit. I think, yeah. No, this description is okay. We can skip it, optional. If you, yeah, copy this and scroll up a bit. Yeah, scroll up. Yeah, we have to give it here. Perfect. Now just create this. Yeah, give any description here. Yeah, create security group. Add a description, something perfect. Now you can just create it. Scroll down at the bottom and you can create it. And just take a screenshot of this as well. It's important. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Take a screenshot of this and the two servers that we created. The web of two servers. And yeah, and the screenshot of ELB as one. That one will be also needed.
What? This.
Yeah. And the two servers. Then we'll take a screenshot of ELB. Then it's almost done.
Both these two. Like this page.
No, the web servers, the last two tabs. Yeah. Yeah, you can take the whole screenshot so that ChatGPT will get some idea and it will build something like linking everything.
You want to capture the IP address at the top?
Yeah, we can do that. That will add more info actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Now go to that AWS tab that we were configuring. Yeah, click on it. Now the second one. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now just click on, yeah, create the security group. Did we close some tabs? No, right? I think we did, I guess. I think we did closed one tab, the AWS tab. Is it? I think so, yeah. So how you can go it? Like go to the left tab, we were creating the load balancer, right? Go to the left tab, the left part of this page, yeah. Scroll down. Click on load balancers. Yeah, it's not there, right? Click on create load balancer. Again, yeah, we have to do it again, I guess. Yeah. Why? Because we accidentally closed the tab, maybe. Now select the first application load balancer. You can take a screenshot of it as well. Yeah. Click on create. Perfect. Now just give a name to this load balancer. ELB. Yep. Elastic
What?
load balancer. That's it. I think it's okay. Now scroll down. VPC is same. Scroll down. We have to select all these three AZs. Yeah. Select all of these. And in the security group, we'll scroll down. Yeah. You'll give, yeah, click on the drop down. Yeah. Click on it. Yeah. There itself. There itself. No, that's okay. Scroll up a bit. Scroll up. Yeah. Yeah. Here we have to click on the drop down. And basically that we created now only, right? ELBSG, I can see it. Yeah, select that as well. Basically two security group will have. Yeah, perfect. Now click somewhere else. They both are selected.
Give me 1 second, Ashutosh. I have to use the quick bio break.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hey man, sorry about that. I'm back.
Yeah, no issues.
Okay.
Okay, I think we have done the configuration. Now create a target group. We have to create the listeners. Okay. What is this listeners? Basically, yeah. So you can click on create target group. I'll tell you what this listeners are. Yeah. A target group. Perfect. Click on it. Perfect. So the listeners are basically where the traffic is gonna get distributed. Okay. So the traffic that's gonna get distributed over two instances. So we'll click instances. Perfect. We'll scroll down. So we can scroll down. Yeah, perfect. Scroll down. The target group name you can give ELB target group, something like that. And you can actually take a screenshot of this as well. Once we have configured it, scroll down. Yeah, scrolling. Yeah, keep scrolling down. VPC, click on drop down on VPC. We'll select our own VPC that we have configured. Is it showing up? Not really. Okay, not needed. Actually, it's not needed. I think it should work. Yeah, we have already done it. Scroll down. Scroll down more. Seems perfect. Yeah, click on next. You can take a screenshot. Yeah. Yeah, I think no spaces are allowed. Yeah.
Screenshot of all this.
Yeah, we can screenshot everything. Yeah.
Something like that.
ChatGPT will get some idea and it will place it in perfect location. I think names are some bit different. You can just give TG, something like ELBTG or like something, and you can use, rather than underscore, use dash. Maybe it should work. Yeah, perfect. Work. Now you can click on next. Perfect. Now select both of these, the above one, the the instances. Yeah, select everything and click on include as below, and you can take a screenshot of this as well.
Right now or after clicking it?
No, click first. Yeah, now you can take a screenshot.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now you can just create this one.
This one?
Yeah, now click on create. Yeah, perfect. Seems fine. No, just a second. Yeah, here we have to select it. Yeah, just select the target group. Scroll down a bit. Yeah, seems fine. Perfect. You can take a whole screenshot, maybe. Yeah, it's okay. Not an issue. Basically, I tell you, click on resource map. You can see resource map there in this configuration. Scroll down. Yeah. Click on it. And once this resource map loads up, you can take a screenshot of this. Then it's almost done. Once it loads up. Yeah, it's getting built. It is getting builded. So we have to wait. Can you refresh it once again? The whole thing. I want to see the targets are not getting generated. The diagram is incomplete, maybe. Why so? Scroll down. Oh, it's okay. Click on maybe yeah, targets are not as expected. A second. Yeah, refresh this small. Yeah, refresh it. You see that icon, right?
Yep.
Is it getting built or what?
Is it getting
Targets.
what?
Yeah, we are actually targets we have configured, right? Maybe click on the diagram is not getting built up as we wanted it to be. Now click on refreshing it. Oh, actually we have to wait for a couple of minutes, maybe. Yeah. After then it will load up perfectly.
Okay.
Yeah. In the meantime, these are perfect. Click on listeners and rules in the first tab of the resource map level.
Listeners and what?
Listeners and rules in the resource map level. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, click on it. Click on demo target group, the target group that we have created, the blue icon, the blue link. I want to see that. Yeah. Yeah, click on it. Is it configured nicely or not, perfectly or not? I have to check once. LD 0 targets. Okay, that's the problem, right? Okay, click on register target. Some mismatch we did, maybe. Click on register target. Something we missed it. Yeah. Click on register target. Yeah, select. Okay, I got it. Just select both of these. I'll tell you. One mistake we made. Yeah, select include as pending below. Click on include as pending below. Perfect. Scroll down. Now, yeah, register pending targets. I think we didn't click on it. Maybe register pending targets. Click on it. Yeah, you see that right corner icon in the below. Yeah, now it will work fine. Yeah, now it should work fine. Now, what you do is go to previous tab of this panel, the AWS. Yeah, perfect. Now come down. Now click on resource map. Perfect. Perfect. Now it looks perfect. Now what you can do is just go up. You can take a screenshot of this. This is very important. This diagram. You can minimize the whole page and just take a screenshot of this. The flow diagram.
Like this?
Yeah, you can take a screenshot of this. Perfect. Now this is our last screenshot. Now go back. Go to that terminal, the page. Now what you have to do is, yeah, copy that load balance ARN. Just copy it and paste it in new tab. Yeah, the load balance ARN, copy it and go to the new tab and click on it. Something went wrong. Yeah, paste it over here. Perfect. Now enter it. Okay, got it. Go back to that web page. Maybe something went wrong. Let me check. Okay. Click on maybe DNS name. Click on DNS name. DNS name. You see, right? DNS name. Yeah, copy it. Copy DNS name. Now this should work. Yeah. It's ending with .com, right? It should work fine. Enter. Yeah. Keep on refreshing it. You'll see that part. Yeah, click on refreshing again. Perfect. It changed, right?
Yeah.
So the traffic is getting distributed. Now this is the end of this practical that we're doing. You can ask ChatGPT to build a doc for it, and we can upload it on GitHub now.
Okay. Approximately how long do you think it'll take us to get it uploaded and formatted?
Maybe 15-20 minutes more. Maybe
Then let's
10
do it
minutes.
tomorrow.
Let's do it tomorrow, right? Yeah, it's very night for you, right?
Yeah, I'm like barely awake, so I want to be able to stay sharp.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I have a lot of time. I'll message you during the day because I don't have any interviews tomorrow.
Definitely. So what you can do is, in the meantime, just close this instance so it won't charge. That's the point. Maybe yeah, you can stop it, or maybe you can keep it on. Yeah, you can stop it. Yeah, I think we should stop it. You select both of these instances and just stop. Yeah, stop instance. Perfect. Perfect. And tomorrow when we continue, we can restart it and we can complete the documentation, right? And I'll like do more case study on this part, right? The SSO part on AWS. Okay, that I'll research, and in later class we can do it.
We don't need these tabs anymore, right?
Yeah, we don't need it now. Yeah.
Okay, cool, man.
Okay, Rafi, let's connect tomorrow, na? We'll
Okay,
complete
brother.
it
Yep,
tomorrow.
sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.